Add four color effect in YT Create application. So hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can add four color effects in YT Create application. So it's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. So let's get started. You have to open the YT Create application, and after that, if you want to add the four color effect, so you have to tap right here on this video. Now you have to tap right here on the effect option, and now you have to select this filter. You can see this filter with the four colors, so you have to select this one. And if I select this filter, you can see that this video will be changed to the four different colors. So this is how you can easily get the video with the four colors by having this effect. So hope you guys like my video, and please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.